Good morning students. Welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 1.1, 7 sums completed. Now write down 8 sum. What is problem number 8? Express each of the following numbers in the P by Q form. See the heading? Express each of the following numbers in the form in P by Q form. First one is what? 0.5 bar. Second one is what? 3.8 bar. Third one is what? 0.36 bar. Fourth one is what? 0.127 bar. I want to explain second one and fourth one for you. You try for the remaining two under HW. What is the second sum? Second one is 3.8 bar. What is the meaning of 3.8 bar? 3.8 is repeating. You know what is bar? Repeating. So what is 3.8 bar? It is non-terminating repeating decimal. What is 3.8 bar? It is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. So what is, write down neatly, what is 3.8 bar? It is non-terminating repeating decimal. 8 is repeating. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now you know what is 8? You know what is bar? Repeating part is known as bar. What is 8? 8 is repeating. So 8 is known as period. So period, write down period equal to 8. Period how much? 8. Periodicity. Periodicity. How many numbers are repeating? Only 8 is repeating, so it is 1. So period how much? 8. Periodicity 1. Now what is next? Let x equal to 3.8 bar. Let us assume x equal to 3.8 bar. Write the full form. X equal to 3.8888 so on. We can write any number of 8s. So 8 is repeating. X equal to 3.8888 so on. How many numbers are repeating? One number is repeating. One number is repeating means multiply both sides with what number? Multiply both sides with, so one number is repeating. One number is repeating means multiply both sides with 10. Two numbers are repeating. Multiply both sides with 100. Three numbers are repeating. Multiply both sides with 1000. So multiply both sides with 10. 10 into x equal to, see that one, 10 into 3.8888 so on. So 10 into x how much? 10 into x is 10x equal to, multiply with 10. You know, in multiplication, decimal point moves towards right side. So here multiply with 10, the decimal point moves how many places towards right side? One place towards right side. So what to write? 38 point. One place is moving. Decimal point moves one place towards right side in multiplication. 38.8888 so on. You know what is 1x? 1x equal to how much? 3.8888 so on. Let us do subtraction. Do subtraction. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. Tell me what we get. 5. Here 3. Here subtraction. 9x. So 9x. So what is the value? 9x equal to 35. 9x equal to 35. X equal to 35 by 9. It is in the form of P by Q. So what is the answer? 3.8 bar equal to 35 by 9. 3.8 bar equal to 35 by 9. So see again, first one it is non-terminating repeating decimal. So when bar is there, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Here we talk about period and periodicity. Period how much? 8. Periodicity how much? 1. Let x equal to 3.8 bar, means 8 is repeating, implies x equal to 3.8888 so on. How many 8s? So we can write any number of 8s. Multiply both sides with what number? One number is repeating. Multiply both sides with 10. Two numbers are repeating. Multiply both sides with 100. Three numbers are repeating. Multiply both sides with 1000. So multiply both sides with 10. 10 into x equal to 10 into 3.8888 so on. So multiply with 10. Decimal point moves one place towards right side. So what we get? 10x equal to 38.8888 so on. What is 1x value? 1x equal to 3.888 so on. Let us do subtraction. What we get? 9x. What we get? 35. X equal to 35 by 9. It is in the form of P by Q. So 3.8 bar equal to 35 by 9. It is second sum. Now next one is, what is the next one? 3.127 bar. 3.127 bar. Next one is 3.12. One is 3.127 bar. Fourth one is 3.127 bar. Right? 3.127 bar in the form of P by Q. Again it is what? It is non-terminating repeating decimal. It is non-terminating repeating decimal. It is again non-terminating repeating decimal. Then tell me, here we talk about period. What number is repeating? Only 7 is repeating. So 7 is known as, what is period? 7. How many numbers are repeating? One number is repeating. Periodicity is 1. What number is repeating? 7. 7 is known as period. How many numbers are repeating? One number is repeating. One is known as periodicity. Let x equal to, what is x? 3.127 bar. Let x equal to 3.127 bar. Implies x equal to 3.12. Can write any number of 7s. So on. X equal to 3.1247 so on. So with what number we have to multiply? Here again one number is repeating. Multiply both sides with 10 again. Multiply both sides with 10. Multiply both sides with 10. 10 into x equal to, tell me, 10 into 3.12777 so on. So 10 into x how much? 10x. Multiply with 10. You know, rule for multiplication, decimal point moves towards right side. So, where is the decimal? After 3. Now it is moving to one place towards right side. Where to write decimal? 31.27777 so on. What is 1x? 1x equal to 3.127777 so on. Do subtraction. This is 0, again this is 0, again this is 0. This is how much? 5. Then 1. Then how much? 8, 2. Subtraction completed. Here also do subtraction. 9x. So 9x equal to 28.15. Right, without zeros. 9x equal to 28.15. X equal to how much? 28.15 by 9. Right, without decimal. 2815 by, right, without decimal, 900. You know the reason? After decimal, two numbers are there. Without decimal, what number to write in the denominator? Two zeros number. Two zeros number is what? 100. So it becomes 900. Do cancellation. 5 table. 5 table how much? 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. Next number 1. 6 5s are 30. Remainder is 1. Next number 5. 3 5s are 15. Here 180 times. Then any more cancellation. So what we get? 563 by 180. 563 by 180. So it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. When bar is there, it is known as non-terminating repeating decimal. Period how much? 7. Periodicity how much? 1. X equal to 3.127 bar. 7 is repeating. Multiply both sides with 10. You know the reason also. Because one number is repeating. Multiply with 10. 10 into x equal to 10 into 3.12777 so on. So 10 into x, 10x. Multiply with 10. Decimal point moves 1 place towards right side. 31.2777 so on. What is 1x value? 1x equal to 3.12777 so on. Let us do subtraction. What we get? 7 minus 70, 7 minus 70, 7 minus 70, 7 minus 2, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, 11 minus 3, 8 and 2. So what we get? 9x equal to 28.15. X equal to 28.15 by 9. Then write without decimal, 2 zeros in denominator, it becomes 900. So what we get? 2815 by 900. 5 table cancellation. How many times? 563 times. By how many times? 180 times. It is in the form of P by Q. So what we get? 3.1277 bar equal to 563 by 180. Note down first. Then next problem is, note down. Now problem number 9 is, write down problem number 9. What is problem number 9? And this is the last problem in 1.1. Without actually dividing, find which of the following are terminating decimals. Actually, how we can decide it is terminating decimal or not? There we are doing division. If we are getting the remainder 0 through division, if we are getting the remainder 0, it is known as terminating decimal. You know division, sometimes you are getting 0. It is known as terminating decimal. Sometimes you are not getting 0. It is non-terminating decimal. Here, see this, without actually division. Don't use division, but we can decide which one is terminating, which one is non-terminating. See the first one. 3 by 25. First one is what? 3 by 25. 3 by 25. And you know how to check it is terminating decimal or not. How to check? I told you one rule. What is the rule? To check it is terminating decimal or not. You know rule. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Then only it is a terminating decimal. What is the rule? I am writing rule here. Rule. Denominator is, write down rule, in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Then only it is known as terminating decimal. That is the rule for terminating decimal. Now let us start first sum. What is the first sum? 3 by 25. What is the denominator here? 25. Denominator is 25. How to write 25? 5 into 5 equal to 5 square. What is the rule? Denominator contains either 2 or 5 or both, then only it is a terminating decimal. So denominator contains either 2, only 2 is there, or 5, only 5 is there, or both are there, then only it is a terminating decimal. So there is 5 in the denominator. There is 5 in the denominator. So it is a terminating decimal. What is the rule? 2 okay, or 5 okay, or both okay, then only it is a terminating decimal. So what is there in the denominator? 5. So it is okay. So here denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Even though only 5 is there, it is a terminating decimal. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. Second one. Second one is what? 11 by 18. 11 by 18. What is the denominator? 18. How to write 18? Do the rough work. 18. 2 table. 9 times. Then 3 table. 3 times. What we get? 2 1 time. 3 2 times. 2 power 1 into 3 square. 3 not okay. Along with 2, 5 okay. Along with 5, 2 okay. But here, 3 is there. It is not okay. So, denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is a non-terminating decimal. It is a non-terminating decimal. So, what is the denominator? 18. How to write 18? 18, 2 table, 9 times. Then 9, 3 table, 3 times. So, what we get? 18 equal to 2 power 1 into 3 square. Denominator is 3 not okay. So, denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is a non-terminating decimal. So, third sum is 13 by 20. Third one, 13 by 20. I want to verify 13 by 20 is terminating decimal or not. So what to do? Let us think about denominator, only denominator. Denominator how much? 20. Do the rough work for denominator 20. Write down neatly. 2 table how many times? 10 times. Then 2 table how many times? 5 times. So 2 table 10 times, 2 table 5 times. What we get? 2 square into 5 power 1. So 20 equal to 2 square into 5 power 1. Okay na, not okay na? Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Okay. So denominator is, it is in the form of, it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. See again, what is the denominator? 20. Denominator 20. Do the rough work. 2 table 10 times. 2 table 5 times. What we get? 2 square into 5 power 1. So 20 equal to 2 square into 5 power 1. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. Fourth one. 11 by 41 by 42. 41 by 42. Think about denominator. Denominator how much? 42. See denominator only. Leave numerator. 42. Do the rough work. 42. Which table? 2 table. 21 times. Then which table? 3 table. 7 times. What we get? 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. So denominator how much? 42. 42 can be written as 2 power 1. This is the rough work. Into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. Which numbers not okay? 3 is not okay. 7 is not okay. So denominator is not in the form of two power m into 5 power n. Denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is non-terminating decimal. It is non-terminating decimal. See again, 13 by 20. I want to check it is terminating decimal or not. Let us start with the denominator. Denominator how much? 20. Do the rough work. 2 table how many times? 10 times. 2 table how many times? 5 times. 2 square into 5 power 1. So 20 can be written as 2 square into 5 power 1. Denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. It is a terminating decimal. See the fourth one, 41 by 42. Denominator is 42. Do the rough work for 42. 2 how many times? 21 times. 3 how many times? 7 times. What we get? 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. So which numbers not okay? 3 not okay, 7 not okay. So denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, it is non-terminating decimal. 3 not okay, 7 not okay. So denominator contains only 2. It is a terminating decimal. Only 5. It is a terminating decimal. Both 2 and 5. It is a terminating decimal. Otherwise, it is non-terminating decimal. So do problem number 8 and problem number 9 again under HW. In the next class, we start exercise 1.2. Thank you, students.